we got a little friend just leading us to the fishing bridge in Yellowstone. Ooh, I don't know if you guys can see, but he's really big. This is called Yellowstone Lake.
It's the fishing bridge, and there's cutthroat trout here.
And Oleg really wants to catch some. Oh, I'm scared of him. Babe, he's scary.
Good morning, everybody. Today is a great day here in Yellowstone. The goal for today is going to be explore a little bit around here and then head on to Idaho to do some overlanding camping. Now we're just gonna go grab some breakfast, some coffee, and go exploring.
Everything here burnt. It's crazy.
9,777 elevation level.
So he stopped to fish and he told me,
Let's go.
He told me I have to respect his hobby. And he told me I can just sit on my chair, which I grabbed right here. And he grabbed my fishing pole too.
Can you lock the car?
He thinks I'm gonna fish, but I'm really not. And actually, he grabbed the fishing pole, he said.
For myself. So I don't have to retie different baits and lures and stuff. So.
He asked if he can have my fishing pole. He bought it for me. And
I really like it.
I've only fished with it like twice.
You have a nice line to
Caught nothing. But he wants it because it's neon orange.
It's a nice rod. I don't know. You look so pretty.
No, I don't.
You look way too pretty for this day.
Thank you, honey.
So this is the fishing bridge. The sucky part about this bridge is that you can't fish right here because they stock the trout here, the cutthroat trout. So you got to walk a mile down the stream or a quarter of a mile upstream. So basically, you just got to walk a mile up the stream and we can fish.
He's fishing not 1 mile from the fishing bridge, but very, very close. He's just trying to hide a little bit because we're to walk all the way there. And he's not using my fishing pole yet, but we'll see in a minute. He said he likes how my fishing pole sounds better.
Coolest part about Yellowstone is you can just see wildlife right on the side of the road while you're driving.
Look, there's another one over there.
Yep. It's pretty cool. These animals are huge. So we just got out of Yellowstone. We're heading to a campground in Montana that's pretty close to a creek. And we're just trying to beat the rain because it looks like it is about to start pouring any second. But yeah, that was our trip to Yellowstone.
My husband is trying to camp somewhere here and I'm scared.
Check out the views. Rained in. I sleep in that. It's literally comfortable. Perfect.
Real stuff on the roof like that, guys.
Hey guys, we got a beautiful place by the creek. We just got set up. The clouds actually went away from us and there's a slight drizzle, but we are still gonna be able to make some food. I got some nice dry firewood tonight. We are right off the road. This is our campsite.
Oh my, here it's clear.
So we're sitting here editing, reading, and there's just cows. They're scared of the hammock.
Where do they come from?
We thought it was a bear because you see that brown, guys, do you see this brown one? I saw a lot of black cows, but then I saw that brown and I was just like, oh no, that is probably a bear.
And we have our bear spray right
You
here.
can't really see because of the
So
tent, the net. And we got our bear spray and she was about to
hand it to him.
The weather has cleared up. So beautiful here. We're just watching the cows. Yeah.
We actually...
Got the fire going. Camp is all set up. Just got the corn out of the fire. That's gonna be it for today's adventure. Hope you guys have a blessed day. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next episode.